Alright, we have a transaxle and transmission. Transmission number is 3782976. And differential is ready to be looked at, but it's part number 3826196. There's rags stuffed in it, so I assume someone meant to use it once again. Looking for the 2-letter code, but I can't really move this one to see it and see what's inside, but definitely know that it was in use in a buggy. Alright, next up we have another complete set. This one's engine, diff, and trans. Diff is 3780270. Transmission is 3833182. And it says G128 underneath it. Has some sort of a machined aluminum side cover with a drain plug and such. Looks to be all together. Has U-joints in it. So clutch goodies and all that. And then we have that made it to a 140 horsepower engine with aluminum valve covers, remote oil filter, remote oil cooler, and a divided plane 4-into-1 spider type manifold. Unfortunately, I cannot read the casting information for the engine, but it is complete and it's all there, and looks like it could be returned back to stock status if need be. I have not tried to turn it yet, but we'll see if we can do that. No harmonic dampener on it. Fuel pump's been plugged off. Oil has been routed to the filter through the old line for the pressure switch. I'll bet you can't see it, but that's probably been blocked off. So this has a return plumbed into the other valve cover, so that could be PCV, oil return, who knows, maybe there was even a turbo on this at one point. We'll see.